We stayed 7 days for free on our Dallas trip, business trip, Mastermind, met with Appliance company, Topgolf. But more importantly, I'll tell you how you can do the same thing, but enjoy the vlog. How much y'all gotta pay you to be in the videos?
$100,000.
$100,000? Man, you're expensive. You gonna give me 100,000 followers?
I know.
What's up, y'all? So we're in day 2 after coming back from vacation. So y'all ever go out and come back and be like, damn man, I don't want to return, either because you're having so much fun or you like, you know there's a shitstorm of stuff that's about to happen. So that was my thing. So yesterday I ain't even record. I got back. For one, the Mastermind was really good. Got to meet with some really solid minded business owners who are serious about taking their business to the next level. I think we shared a lot of good information, and after the result of this mastermind group, my mind at the end of Friday was just kind of fried. Like, where do I go from here? So I set one goal for myself is to expand our sales systems capabilities in Fresno with a dedicated person. So right now we've got 2 guys in Bakersfield, and we've been sending primarily our lead tech up to do those jobs. But right now I want to say we had 6 of them in Fresno last month, and you know it's time to get one of the guys trained up there. So that's one of the challenges. I think that'll help allow us to be able to expand a little bit better through the Central Valley. But man, overall, I was tired, man. So I got to redo some of my flyers, my handouts, my leave behind stuff. I put a pause on finishing my website until I met with the group to see what kind of ideas and stuff that they have. So I'm going to finish that this week. I got this whole big long list of stuff to do, and I tell you, yesterday I met with my bookkeeper. We did an operations meeting, and I had missed the first initial LG training, so we got to go back and get that rescheduled so I can get back on the task with the back end office, just so I can understand what the hell they were trained to do and how to do stuff. So man, it was a whole lot of stuff I feel like I missed in those 5 days. But when we're out there in Dallas, got to visit some family, got to meet with one of my old buddies too from my old job. That was cool. We actually ended up staying at the same hotel, so what's the odds out of that? I got to meet with Jason too out of Dallas. He has an appliance repair company. Him and I have been communicating not for a while, so he's looking to expand his business as well. And I've been throwing him some tips, what I can. But man, he's got a great start there too. So got to meet with him finally face to face. So that was pretty cool. We went to Topgolf. We actually went to go see Nope too. So I know I had put in the video I was gonna go see it. So we actually ended up seeing it in Dallas. And I don't know what your thoughts is on that movie. So tell me, what did you think of Nope if you saw Nope? But I'm just trying to get back into the groove now. Gonna have my coffee. It was day number 2. I don't know what time it is. 5 something in the morning. So.
Let's get ready to rumble!
you think? How you going to do today?
I'm probably gonna throw the golf club out to the. That's what I'm afraid of. I'm gonna let loose.
Throw that loose. All right. Well, hey, it's gonna be fun. That's for sure. It's Texas heat. That's one thing. They got water.
Yeah, I saw that.
So this is our first experience. I'm a recorder. Y'all can see what it looks like. We just finished Topgolf. It was pretty fun. Everybody's first time. I've been before, but golf. What'd you think, Madison?
You turned on the hatch.
I turned on the hacks, smashing balls across the golf field of Topgolf world. It was excellent. Ronnie, what'd you think?
That was fun.
It was fun?
Yes.
All right. Will we see you, Topgolf?
Okay, these next races are going right here.
We get to get some Shake Shack in Dallas. So we got Madison here. How is it, baby? How is it, y'all? Good. All right. See y'all next time.
Use the left lane to take the US 75 North exit, then keep left.
Yes.
Give me something to do, different stuff.
So the liquid nitrogen is going to begin to freeze everything at around negative 170 degrees. The awesome part about this margarita is that it doesn't contain any water like the traditional frozen one does. So it's going to be very smooth. It's going to have a sorbet consistency. It's not going to be chunky or icy. It's not going to water down bad.
Might talk to her maybe twice out the week.
All right. Thank you.
What we doing?
Give somebody a head start.
Name the movie. You gotta tell me what sport it is about.
Okay.
20 seconds on the clock. Hoosiers.
Basketball.
Creed.
Boxing.
Bad News Bears.
This is how we stay 7 days in Texas for free. So the main thing that you want to do as a business owner, you want to make sure that your expenses are tied to a credit card that gives you rewards points. So in my case, I use the American Express card, and what the American Express card does, for gas, certain expenses, you get multiple points. These points add up and you save them up. Now they have a program called Hilton Honors, and with the Hilton Honors points, you can take them from the American Express and convert them into Hilton Honors points. And if you're at a certain level, they can multiply, and that's what we did. So we took all these expenses for all these parts, gas, everything that adds up, expenses around the office, and we funneled it through to the Hilton's Honors points, and then we converted those into stays. So that enabled us to stay at the Embassy Suites, Hilton Garden Inn, Hampton Inn. We stayed downtown, completely for free. I think the last stop we had valet. We had to pay valet. It was like $32 or something like that. So, all in all, that's the play. And if you're not taking advantage of that, taking some of these vacations, time away, using some of those advantages as a business owner, because I have employees and they all have the American Express card, so they're swiping, paying for their gas, buying parts, whatever. It's all funneling back into that point system where you can take a free vacation business trip. 'Cause, you know, I do business. But that's the tip, nothing special.